When we face some problems and difficulties in our life, when we lose our close ones and loved ones, we start questioning and complaining to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that why is this happened to me? So my beautiful people, I want to say that we should trust and have faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because this life is a taste from Him. Whatever happened in our life, it happens by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This life is full of taste. When we face problems, difficulties, be patient, and also when we lose our loved ones. I know it's a very difficult moment and it's very hard to overcome from that period, but it's a fact that every soul has to taste death. It's a reality of life. One day you and I will leave this world. This worldly life is limited, so we must try to make every moment our best. We should thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in every conditions, in every situation, even it's good or bad. We should follow the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Do not think too much of this worldly life. It's a temporary. You are not going to take anything with you except your good deeds. So do good deeds in your life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you with the best.